In this video, we show the first water tests in the Skull Waterfalls area of Mallorca's new theme mini-golf park, Lost Island Minigolf Park. This themed mini-golf park was completely designed by David, who was in charge of the construction work, as well as the carving and painting of the themes. This monumental sculpture was designed, assembled, carved, and painted by David personally. You can see in these images the carving and painting process David used, using a telescopic crane to carve and paint this magnificent sculptural piece, which stands over 5 meters tall. David has been dedicated to the design and construction of emblematic themed projects since 2000. He has been dedicated to the design, theming, monumental sculptures, small format sculptures, artificial rocks, etc. for 25 years now, for theme parks, zoos, hotels, and leisure and adventure parks around the world. David combines something very unusual that makes him unique. David possesses unique skills for the conceptual design and planning of iconic projects, along with being an excellent sculptor and painter himself. Therefore, he develops the entire process himself, from conceptual design to execution. This piece will represent the public image of the park, being the best claim to autonomously advertise the park on social networks. This part is the front of a pirate cave that has a large planter of more than 20 square meters at its top. Guests will find this monumental sculpture upon entering the park and will admire it as they cross a suspension bridge to begin their adventure. The themed mini-golf project is located on a 1,200 square meter plot dedicated to mini-golf on 2 18-hole courses, along with a themed restaurant also designed by David. We hope everyone can soon enjoy this magnificent leisure park, which will open soon in Santa Ponsa, Mallorca.